When I was coming, I was just thinking that it's my first time to an African country. Maybe I hear lots of things about the other countries and all. I know it's not about Ghana, but African countries. When it's come to Africa, people are little the mindset is little different. So compared to Dubai, definitely it's different. But no, I like the behavior. Local people, I like they respect everyone. So the best part is, like Ghanaian culture, it's good. Uh, Hospitality from the Ghanaian people is really good. It's awesome. I will say it's awesome. They respect you. They respect foreigners, and they are helpful because it's my personal experience as well. They are very helpful. So favorite local dishes, Ghanaian coconut water. Every day I'm having two by default. It's really good. My name is Himanshu. Basically, I belong from India. I've been a part of Walk Boys for last 3 years. I was in Dubai, and recently I moved here to Ghana, to open our branches. Since it's our first international franchise, we have seen, means we are receiving love from Ghanaian people and what we wanted from them. So before opening a restaurant, we had lots of discussion. We came to Ghana. We have seen that what Ghanaian people are missing. As I know from the beginning that Ghanaian people, they like the food and different cuisines. So that what we have found here, that people are missing something like that. This kind of food was missing. So yeah, after this session, maybe I will show you the menu. Our menu is little unique. Like you can create your wok in 5 steps where you have to choose your base, your protein, your sauce, your topping, right? And so that is the customized menu. It was an easy journey for us because our local owners are here. They are very helpful. They know about the Ghanaian needs. So it's really they have done a good job from their side, and it was a really good support from their side to Dubai team, and that is the thing we make it success. So before coming to Ghana, I was afraid about that because I was not I was not familiar with Ghanaian food and all, and I was not familiar with the Ghanaian people. But yes, after planning everything, we got to know that yes, they like the food. Since Ghanaian people are foodies, so they like the food. When we opened the restaurant, we got it was a surprise for us that people were like coming for the food, and it was like busy time. Since the beginning, it was busy. Restaurant was busy, and until now, thank God, it's going good. So we got to know that Ghanaian people want to try a different cuisine, different food. That is the reason we are success in this business now. Challenge is the main thing is this area, like industrial area. So the crowd is here for a certain time. Like after 7, after 8, people are not out for like long, like East Legon, Osu, Leboni. So after 8 and 9, only you have to depend on deliveries and all. But still, it's going good. Maybe we can cover it from our next branch, which will be in East Legon. That's the challenge only we got. Otherwise, everything is fine. Local people are also supporting us, so it's not an issue. So compared to Dubai, definitely it's different. But no, I like the behavior. Local people, I like they respect everyone. So and they are familiar with us since we are in a restaurant. Yes, they support us. They support us in a positive way. They work in a nice way, and there is no challenge. Like I didn't get any challenge, any difficulties to work with them. So it's going good. I'm really happy with this one. When I was coming, I was just thinking that it's my first time to an African country. Maybe I hear lots of things about the other countries and all. I know it's not about Ghana, but African countries. When it's come to Africa, people are little the mindset is little different. It was same. It was not that much because I had African staff with me in Dubai. But still there was that how things will work there, how I will manage the things. But when I came here, it was little different. It was totally different also. I can say totally different because the atmosphere, what I wanted, I got, and that is the reason we successfully opened the restaurant without any challenge. So the best part is, like Ghanan culture, it's good. Uh, Hospitality from the Ghanaian people is really good. It's awesome. I will say it's awesome. They respect you. They respect foreigners, and they are helpful, because it's my personal experience as well. They are very helpful. So whenever you are going from the road and somewhere and you have some, you met with any wrong thing, unexpected thing, they will come to help you without asking. So these are the things I like. So I will definitely, as I know, slowly Ghana is, growing for for what is called tourists and all. So like I went to Labadi beach, it's really nice. I went to like, you can go Leboni. Leboni is good place. You can sit there, have a coffee and all. It's a good place. East Legon is good. It's near to airport. Okay, Spintax. Yeah, and maybe I went to a waterfall. I forgot the name. Maybe Abori or something, but that was really good. And maybe I think Volta region is also good. So I think Volta is very good. I wish I will in the future I will travel there. Favorite local dishes. To be honest, I mostly like, I'm not a non-vegetarian person. I prefer vegetarian food, but yes, like local food, I like the maize, what they are cooking outside. Ghanaian coconut water. Every day I'm having two by default. It's really good. Definitely I will try like fufu and all. Still I didn't try, but yes, definitely I will try. Wok Boys is located in Malcolm Plus North Industrial Area. Definitely that is a question, that why people should come here. So yes, please give us a chance to give you a good service in terms of good food. I'm sure you will like it, because it's a little different than others. It's the Asian food. We have varieties in noodles, we have varieties in rice, we have a customized menu. So it's like whatever you want to choose, you can choose, and we'll provide you the same food. And we doesn't take that much time, so your food will be ready within 10 minutes. Sometimes if it's busy, maybe 15 minutes. That definitely I can promise for the timing and all. Like, we don't take that much time to prepare your food. So yes, what I will do, I will suggest them from the appetizers. I will suggest them molten red curry ball. That is a unique here, because a shrimp curry ball, it's like a shrimp curry ball stuffed with red Thai curry. It's imported from Thailand. Then our spring rolls also are imported. It's not local spring roll. Then we have spicy Korean wings. It's, fried wings tossed in a Korean sauce. It's little sweet and spicy, but it's our signature dish. I will definitely ask people for prawn tempura, because maximum people, they like the prawn tempura. Then from the main course, I know Ghanaian like spicy food. So we have Hakka chili chicken, Hakka chili paneer, Hakka chili prawns, or either they can go for Hakka mixed meat. That is the wok fried chili garlic noodle, and this is spicy. And then we have nasi goreng, that is Malaysian fried rice. That is spicy also. It's customized. If you want it spicy, we can make it spicy. If you don't want it spicy, we can make it normal. And I will suggest, create your wok. You should try your, wok in your way. So it's a 5-step wok. You can choose your noodles. We have egg noodles, we have udon noodles, we have soba noodles, which is buckwheat noodles, and we have rice noodle, that is the flat noodles. Then we have jasmine rice, brown rice. We have quinoa. Quinoa is a super food. It's a kind of grain. If you are if you are in diet and all, you should go for Hakka noodles. Yeah. So it's chili garlic noodles. It's spicy. It's little juicy. So I will prefer Hakka noodles for you.
Okay. Thank you.
In the noodles. If you want appetizers, then I have lots of things. But I want you to come and try first.